everyone, I am Aditi Gupta. I have started my journey with Fantastico as a social media marketing intern. My experience with Fantastico is going amazing and I'm really happy to be a part of this fantastic journey.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Sharma and I'm currently the Senior HR Coordinator at Fantastico. My journey at Fantastico has been one of the greatest experiences of my life. Here I have learned a lot about the corporate world and especially the essence of teamwork. The people I have worked with like Shubham sir, Rashmi ma'am, Rajshri ma'am and so many others have taught me so much that I believe that this company is more like a family to me now. Thank you so much Fantastico for all the wonderful experiences and opportunities that I have gained here and all that I have learned. I'm definitely a different person than what I joined in as an intern.
Hello, I am Shruti, currently working as a finance coordinator in Fantastico. I started my journey with Fantastico as a business development intern. I am really happy that I am part of Fantastico. It's really like a family for me. Best of luck, Fantastico.
Hello everyone, my name is Snigdha Nagpal and I'm the HR coordinator in Fantastico. I started my journey in Fantastico as an HR intern and now I have been recently promoted as an HR coordinator. My journey in Fantastico has been really amazing and I would like to thank Shubham sir and all the HR team coordinators and the seniors for guiding me throughout the internship and giving me a very good experience. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayush. I am an SMN coordinator in Fantastico. My journey with Fantastico has just been brilliant. I have learned a lot from it and Fantastico has taught me a lot in being a leader. Also, the way Fantastico has taught me about the corporate journey is just amazing and it has molded me in a way that now I am ready as a job aspirant in the corporate field.
Hello everyone, this is Rupa Kumari. I have joined Fantastico as a social media marketing intern and from last few weeks I am working as their operation coordinator. The journey was very wonderful. I got to learn a lot and seniors are very supportive. I would like to thank Fantastico for giving me this opportunity to work with them and got to learn a lot. Once again, thanks Fantastico.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajshri Bhaumik and currently I am working in Fantastico as HR head. My journey from an intern to a HR head is amazing. I have learned a lot and I'm still learning. What I like about the organization is the ambience. We work completely with free mind. All the coordinators and senior coordinators and the other team members are extremely talented to work with. At the end of the video, I want to say thanks to Shubham sir for giving me the opportunity to work with Fantastico. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so I hope you all are doing well. So first of all, I would like to thank Shubham sir for giving me the opportunity to be the part of such a great family, Fantastico. So now coming to my journey in Fantastico, I have joined as a HR intern in Fantastico and Sneha Sharma ma'am was my mentor. I have learned a lot of things from her. Thank you ma'am for each and everything which you have given me, which I have learned from you. And she is the only one who has promoted me to the level of HR coordinator. Thank you ma'am. And now coming to the Rashmi ma'am. Rashmi ma'am is the best person I have ever seen. She is the one who has guided me in each and every aspect of my journey. So I would really like to thank her and I really love her for each and everything and I have learned a lot from her. She is the most patient person of our company. So yeah, now coming to my new role, I am working as a finance coordinator with Shruti ma'am. Thank you Shruti ma'am for giving me the chance to be the part of finance department with you. Thank you so much ma'am and thank you for each and everything which you have done for me. Thank you everyone for giving me the opportunity to be the part of such a great company. I have learned a lot from you guys. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria Nivriwala and I am a senior coordinator of SMM team at Fantastico. I started as an HR intern and now I am working as a senior coordinator. All because of Fantastico is an amazing organization and has helped me a lot to improve my future. The Fantastico team has given me a lot of support and has trained me to be a better person into a corporate world. Thank you Fantastico for the really great experiences and for the great future ahead. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Arshi. I have started my journey at Fantastico as an HR intern, and I have never thought that I will get an opportunity to be the HR coordinator. I am thankful to Fantastico for giving me this opportunity to explore my knowledge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Chandan. Currently I am Business Development Coordinator in Fantastico, and I started my journey in Fantastico as a HR intern. I just thanks to all my colleagues, mentors, coordinators for all the supports, and I learned various things like in business development and in HR, etc. So thank.
Hello, I Bhavna Vasti would like to share my experience with you all. I had tons of new things that I learned from Fantastico, and they gave me a million of reasons to grow and none to stop. Thank you to Aditi ma'am and Rashmi ma'am for guiding me to the right path and helping me to be here. Thank you all the member of Fantastico.
Hi everyone, my name is Shubham Kumar. I am the social media marketing head at Fantastico. I would like to share my experience with the Fantastico. So I joined Fantastico last year when the pandemic started as a social media marketing intern, and now I am the social media marketing head. This is all because Fantastico realized my potential and bring the best out of me. I would like to thank Fantastico for all the efforts they have put into me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ishi, and I would like to share my experience at Fantastico as social media marketing intern. First of all, I would like to say thanks to the team members for giving me the wonderful opportunity to work in their organization. It helps me a lot, like how to communicate, how to interact with new people. That's all. Thanks.
Hello everyone, this is Simran Bissell. I'm currently working as Senior Social Media Marketing Coordinator. My journey with Fantastico has been really amazing. From intern to coordinator to Senior Social Media Marketing Coordinator. At Fantastico, I got to learn a lot of things like how to work in a team, then team management, time management, and many more. Thank you so much Fantastico for providing me with such an opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Ganket, and journey in Fantastico was really very thrilled and really very exciting. My mentors and my coordinators have supported me throughout the internship, and I am really very proud and really very happy to be a part of this organization.
My journey with Fantastico has been absolutely amazing. When I joined this company, I was a complete fresher, but this company helped me grow. This company helped me enhance my skills and my knowledge. I'll be forever grateful to Fantastico. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanak. I started my journey with Fantastico as a video editor in April this year. My journey is going really amazing, and I'm really enjoying working under Fantastico. Seniors are very supportive and helpful. I would like to thank Fantastico for giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rakshita Gupta. I'm from Banaras. I have started my journey in Fantastico in May as an HR intern. And after joining in this organization for an internship, it was my first internship, so I was very nervous and I was very scared about that how I will be performing in this internship. But after joining Fantastico, they have tell us, they have trained us in various factors like how HR skills, HR's problem, how HR solves the problems, and various. And I have also learned about the various domains like marketing, sales, business development, and they have train us about how we have to marketing and sell, because Fantastico basic thing is like they train us in various domains. And I also get confident in this internship because Fantastico gave me an opportunity for a YouTube video. It was my first official video which will be posted on YouTube. So, and I'm glad that this is my second video also for the Fantastico. And then as an HR intern, my 1 month journey was very successful. I was the top performer in this organization, and this organization helped me a lot. It helped me in various social media sites like in Instagram, in YouTube, and in LinkedIn also. And I can also say that being an HR intern in Fantastico trained us and gave me confidence to be a part of it. And after completing my internship, this company has given me an opportunity for a letter of recommendations this company has given me, and this company has also given me a opportunity to perform as an HR coordinator for this organization. And recently I'm working as an HR coordination for this organization, and I'm very happy that this company has given me a chance to enhance my skill and give some part of my skill and some part of my time to this organization. And I can barely say that this organization is best for. So on this spacious day, I want to thank my sir Shubham sir, my Fantastico team, and all the members of my team and batchmates and intern who helped me, and my coordinator who helped me to get this opportunity for an HR coordinator. Thank you very much for being so much supportive and so much trust on me, and think that I am worthy for this organization. And I'm really glad to be a part of it. And happy anniversary Fantastico by completing 1 year. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Ritika and I started my journey with Fantastico as an intern and recently got promoted as a business development coordinator. The journey with Fantastico was absolutely amazing and it was a great learning from peers and my colleagues at Fantastico. Thank you.
Hello, myself Sandra and I am from Kerala, and I here like to share my experience about the journey through the Fantastico. And I joined as an HR intern in this Fantastico family, and they guide me a proper way, and I got many help from Sneha Sharma ma'am and Subham sir and Rajni ma'am, and it's a wonderful experience, and thank you.